How to turn on silent play on REDnote app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your REDnote application. Then, go to the profile icon from your bottom right corner. After that, go to Settings. Now, simply go to General Settings. And in order to silent play or play video silently after turning on, you will have to turn on silent play, and that function or that feature is available in this general settings function option. Simply toggle this on like this, and now your videos will be played silently right after turning on the app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.